Okay, you're not going to believe where we are at the next episode of Really Mary. We are
at Alyssa's Animal Sanctuary, surrounded by lots of adorable animals.
So check this out and make sure you watch.
Really, Mary?
Hey, it's Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and oh my goodness, where am I today? We know the Really Mary show goes on the road many times, and today we're at Alyssa's Animal Sanctuary. You won't believe it, here in Naples, Florida. Hello, Alyssa, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Now, people for inquiring minds want to know what this is all about and what this little cutie pie you got in your hands.
So everybody here is all rescues, and we've just over time have, there's a huge need in Collier County for farm animal rescue. Okay. So we started out with a lot of animals from Hurricane Irma, and it just sort of grew from there. And once the community knows that you're here, it kind of grows. That's it.
It kind of grows. You get more animals.
Yep.
They're like, oh no, you're here. We got to give you some more animals.
Exactly.
But you host a lot of different things here. Like today, I'm here for a funeral memorial, right?
Yes.
So talk about some of the things that you do at this site.
So we do all sorts of events for the community. We do, we did a celebration of life today. We do lots of kids' birthday parties. We were actually voted best kids' birthday party by Gulf Shore Life magazine last year, and we were nominated this year as well for best kids' birthday party venue. We do weddings out here, baby showers, get-togethers with friends, just any animal lover to come out and experience being with the animals. It's totally different than a petting zoo. All of our animals, as you can see, they're all free. No one is in cages, no one's locked up. So you actually get to experience picking them up and holding them and loving on an animal and making that connection that people, I feel like, really don't get very often, especially here in Naples, where there's not a lot of opportunities for you to interact with animals like this.
No,
so I think
really.
it's just great. And then when people come over, all of the money that we make from the events that we do all go towards helping feed them and take care of them, and that's how we're able to do what we do.
Well, speaking of that, things like this don't run without money, quite honestly. So you take donations.
Yes, we are a 501c3 nonprofit, so we can give tax write-offs for all donations, whether it be items that is wood for us to build housing for the animals, or monetary, anything we can take for donations.
That's awesome. You might need some help.
Yes.
Do you need volunteers?
We definitely need volunteers, really need volunteers. We have almost 150 animals right now, and since opening to the public, that number just goes up and up every single month, and I just can't say no to them. I will take every animal in need, but there's just 2 of us doing it. Right now it's all Kevin and I doing everything by ourselves. And we just can't keep taking in more animals unless we have support from the community to help feed them and care for them. So it's donations, and it's actual coming out here and just helping work with the animals and take care of them and fill up water buckets and help out with the events, passing treats out for our guests when they come. And there's so many different things that you could do to, volunteer out here. We do he built all of these buildings out here himself.
Wow.
So if you want to learn how to build, buildings and things like that, I think there's lots of different opportunities.
Well, I love that this was a best kids birthday party in Gulf Shore, right? I mean, at the end of the day, I can't imagine. Our kids are older, so they might think this is cool anyway, but young adults, I would think it would really be fun to come out here as well, right?
Yes.
With all the events.
And that's the thing, is it really is great for every age demographic. We've had 1-year-old birthdays here, and just having people learn that connection from a young age with animals, it's really great. We've had retirement centers come out here just to get them out of the retirement communities for the day and be in nature and be with the animals. It's so therapeutic and so healing for everybody, so it's really great for every age. And teenagers love it. We do like painting, art class with the animals, and goat yoga, and all sorts of different fun things.
Goat yoga?
Yep.
That sounds like it's something I should try.
Yeah, actually it's even better because it's farm animal yoga, so it's the whole farm surrounding you, and chickens are jumping on you and everything, so it's fun.
So if you don't like animals, please don't come.
Yes,
but if you
we don't want you here. Right? If you don't like animals.
If you don't like animals, don't come. But if you love animals and you want to get some nature, you need to come out to Alyssa's Animal Sanctuary, and we will give you the address below and how you can donate, because at the end of the day, This is awesome. And if you don't know an animal, come and find one.
Yes. We also, really quick, we have a way that you can actually sponsor, which is kind of like adopting an animal, but the animal stays and lives here with us. When we get new rescues and they don't have names, if you adopt to sponsor them, you get to name the animal. You get monthly time that you get to come out and spend with your animal. So it's cool. So if you ever wanted a goat or wanted a horse, there's lots of people that can't afford a horse to be able to take care of them.
Right, exactly.
But you can sponsor one here, and that's your horse, and you get to come feed it and know that you're caring for it, and I think that's cool too.
I think that is amazing. You guys are doing something really phenomenal here, and it's really special, and I hope that everyone out there either A, donates their time, their money, or just comes out for a fun event.
Yes.
Until next time, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and this is Really Mary.